What's up everybody? Today we're going to show you how to control the seats on the second and third row on the Ioniq 9. To control your seats on your Ioniq 9, you go to this menu right here where it says seats. You can actually warm your seats or ventilate your seats right here on your second row as well. You got 3 different settings right here. Right there. You also get 3 levels of ventilation right here. You get high, medium, and low right there. Press on the middle tab right here. You can actually move the position of the seat forward or back. So if you go forward, press it back here as well. You can actually recline your seats too, forward or back as well. The cushion tilt as well, you can move it down or up. And as for the leg support, if you want to get extra comfy, position it forward, position it back. And then for the third tab, you can actually fold your seat for the second row captain chairs. And I can actually control the third row as well. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions, feel free to hit us up at Riverside Hyundai.